In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight dates before or after today here in Google Sheets. So here in my example data, I have the date of ROI for these different investments. And I just want to highlight the dates that are before today. We can do that by just selecting our range first. There we go. Then go to Format here in our menu bar and select Conditional Formatting. So here we have our conditional format rules. We have our range selected, our format rules, and our formatting style. For our format rules, we are going to select by clicking on that drop-down, date is before. So if you click on that, here we have it. We have these different selections. You can even put in an exact date, but we're just going to select today. And you'll already see which dates are before today. And if you want a different formatting style, you can definitely do that. Let's select a different fill color right here. Let's go to this light yellow. Click on Done. And there we have it. So we've successfully highlighted the dates that are before today. And you'll see these are the ROIs that you've already received. Now, if you want to reverse that, let's undo that. And let's say this time you want to see the ROIs that you're still going to be expecting after today. So let's do the same thing. Select the same range. Go to Format and select Conditional Formatting. Again, we have our range right here. For the format rules, we can go to Date is after. Again, select today. Select a different formatting style. Let's go to orange. And click on Done. And there you have it. Now, there are actually two ways you can do this. So you can either do date is after and then today, or you can also do custom formula is. Now, if we want to go back and do before today, I'm just going to select G2 right here, which is one of our dates. So that's equal sign. G2 is less than. Put in the today formula. And there you have it. Again, we've highlighted the ones that are before today. If you want to reverse that, you can just change this to greater than. And you've highlighted the dates that are after today. Again, for our formatting style, let's select a different fill color, a dark green right here. Click on Done, and there you have it. Again, you can choose to either use a custom formula or the date is after or the date before in your format rules. So that's how you can highlight your dates before or after today here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.